Into your office for one reason. The last 5 years or so, I've been dealing with my knee, a lot of pain and locking up every day. So I saw your article on Facebook about regenerative medicine, and I came in and talked to you. Went to one of your seminars. Thought it was something I'd rather try instead of having surgery. I got the injection about 9 weeks ago, and since then I've had no pain, or my knee hasn't locked up at all since. And it's great. It's amazing. So.
Okay, so you had, prior to several years ago, you had surgery to the right knee?
Correct. I had a tear, and the surgeon said that I should get rid of the locking, but it didn't. It was good for like a few days after the surgery, and then it was the same thing it was before I had the surgery.
So you continue to experience pain in the knee?
Correct.
And at some point you went for a follow-up MRI, was a few years later?
You sent me for an MRI, and that's when I discovered that I had a degenerative meniscus. And so you said to try maybe the stem cell, that might help to repair it instead of surgery, because I really didn't want to have surgery again since it didn't work the first time.
Because your doctor had recommended that you undergo a total knee replacement.
Mm-hmm. But I really didn't want to have surgery because it would be a long recovery period, and I'd rather try something all natural than to have surgery again. So.
And what kind of pain were you having with that knee?
It was severe. It was, on a scale of 1 to 10, it was like a 10, especially when it would lock up, which was every day. So, and when it locked up, I couldn't walk on it or anything. So, it was really painful. That's why I was glad I saw your thing about regenerative medicine and gave you a call and decided to come in and talk about it. So.
How long after we did the procedure did you start to notice some changes within that knee?
Immediately, actually. There was no locking. There was a little bit of pain after having the injection, obviously, but within a few days that was gone, and I took it easy for the first few weeks anyways, to stayed off it a lot. But, there was no pain, no locking. Like within the next day, there was no locking. It was just pain from the injection. So.
Okay. How much improvement would you say you've had overall?
I did almost 100%.
100%?
It's amazing.
Awesome.
I don't have to worry about it locking up anymore, and I can go for walks and do things without, being in pain. So.
On the beach again with your husband, which was something that you weren't able to do before. And
well, I could do it. It would be painful. It would hurt, but I enjoy doing it. So now I have done it just once recently, and it was great being able to walk without any pain. So
that's awesome.
It's great.
Is this something you'd recommend for other people with?
Definitely. If you don't want to have surgery and you'd rather go an all natural way, I would definitely recommend this 100%. So,
okay.
It was amazing. Glad I did it.
Okay. Thank you, Kathy.
Yeah, no problem.